Climb inside the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and remote keyless entry. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call